So prime day. Alright guys, welcome back to another beautiful day. It's nice and sunny. Make sure you drink enough water. Alright, for lunch I'm making something super delicious for myself because my young doesn't eat that. So I'm gonna share what I'm making. Basically, I am making a dish that is from Spain. It's called paella, and it's gonna be basically with seafood and rice. I don't have the proper rice that you use to make this dish, but I'm gonna use the jasmine rice, and I'm gonna use, hold on, and I'm gonna use seafood medley. Basically this has calamari, clams, shrimp, octopus, baby octopus and all this goodness. And this is the calamari here. Over here, calamari and baby shrimps and oysters. So I'm gonna be using all of these amazing things to make my paella. And I had this in my freezer for a very long time, and I was like, oh, I have to make it, I'm gonna make it this dish, I really want to make it, kind of thing. And but I kind of forgot or something. But now that I'm emptying my freezer and using all the stuff, this thing came out, and I was like, it's a perfect time to make this dish, and I have everything that I need. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do today. There's nobody, come here.
मैं बताना भूल गया कि जब मैं बाहर गया था ना, तो मेरा ऊपर वाले जर्मन शेफर्ड से आमना सामना हो गया। वो आंटी ऊपर से लेके उतर रही थी, मैं ऐसे भागता आ रहा था इधर से, और मेरे को पता नहीं था वो आ रहा है उधर से, और ऐसे सामने आया, और वो एकदम से वो भी चौंका, मैं भी चौंका, वो करके मेरे को हार्ट अटैक आ गया, क्योंकि समझ में नहीं आया कि कौन आ गया सामने से। और फिर वो आंटी लेके आई थी उसको, फिर आंटी ने कहा नो, और फिर वो बेचारा ऐसे करके एकदम ऐसे सीधे हो गया। तो फिर मैंने 1 मिनट लिया इसके, ओके।
तो वो आंटी का नाम सुनता है अंकल से ज्यादा दिन, आई गेस।
हाँ,
है ना?
हाँ।
Near that experience?
Near death experience नहीं था, near hug experience था, बुझ जाते।
Baby, mommy is making seafood medley. Are you interested in eating the seafood medley? So basically, when I was defrosting this thing, Marwan could smell the fishy smell, and he was like, everywhere in the kitchen, he was like, what is the smell? Right, baby. So for this dish, you need very simple ingredients. You need a mix of seafood, or whatever seafood you like, just use that. And then you need tomato paste, like so. I'm gonna use like 2 tablespoons. And then you need sofrito. Why you need sofrito basically is because it gives a lot of flavor, and it's in a puree form over here, like so. And what flavors it gives is basically green pepper, onion, culantro, garlic, and olive oil. This is already in this paste over here, so it's gonna be super delicious. You can actually use this for fried rice, rice and beans, soups, chilies, and stews. So I'm gonna use this, and I'm gonna chop up some onion. You can also add chorizo, but I don't have that, so I'm not gonna add that. Skip it today, it's okay. And then what else? Olive oil. And I don't have the traditional big circle pan that they use for making paella, but I'm just gonna use my normal pan to make it. And you need rice and some salt and all that flavor. I'll show you everything.
of people. So you guys saw that Tanya has been cooking her paella, which she has been waiting for a long time, and she got a perfect reason that, oh, now we have to finish all this frozen stuff, and the best way to finish all the seafood together is make paella. In the meantime, while she's doing that, she showed you how she's cooking that. I was gonna tell you because I have a quick lunch break and I'll be back in 15 minutes. So I don't know how many of you guys actually took advantage of Prime Day, but we did. And if you follow us on Instagram, we'll put an Instagram handle over here, but if you do not follow us, go follow us there. We did share things in our stories, and but if you'll watch this video too late, then the stories will be gone. But regardless, we bought a Ring doorbell for our house. This is something that we can use no matter where we move. So this was in Prime Day on a super duper discounted offer. And another thing, to have our mornings cozy and filled with hot chocolates, we got this frother, which it was on super duper sale. So it is by Zulay, and good thing, we didn't even know that it comes with like a $5 gift card and a warranty registration inside it. So that's like a bumper thing. We got $5 back. Well, so these are the two things we got delivered today, but then a bunch of stuff is coming. Tanya actually ordered a lot of collagen.
Yeah, collagen.
So collagen is on a super sale on Amazon by Vital Proteins and Orgain. So you can check those out. And what else did we got? We got we pre-ordered a Friends Ornaments Advent calendar. So that is out there. It's on pre-order. It's not about the sale thing. So you can go check it out even when you watch this video.
Umbrella.
We got the umbrella for our patio.
Base, and then you got a mop bucket.
She got a mop bucket. She's excited about that, mopping the floors there.
What is this called?
And then we got the Echo 5 because with this Ring doorbell, we have Echo Dots. We got Echo 5 in the deal because then with your Echo 5, you can just say, hey, show me who's at the front door, and then it will pull up the view from the front door and everything. So we are excited about trying these things and putting them in the house. If you are using them, share your reviews in the comments below. Yep. But obviously, when everything comes together, you will see what's going on. Boxes I started to stack up here as well now. So that's that. And I'm gonna eat leftovers because I mean, she eats fancy.
It's such a good dish, but he doesn't eat seafood basically, that's why. Yeah.
Unless there's no option. Since I'm at home, I have option. So I'm gonna eat the palak aloo from yesterday with beans aloo from yesterday. Everything that I eat has aloo in it. So basically that's that. And that's it. I'm gonna eat it with the frozen parathas because the KitchenAid is broken right now. It doesn't want to work. Yeah. And if you haven't seen our previous video, you would know who the KitchenAid is. Well, anyways, I'll see you guys.
Who's over there? Here, Marvel, see?
In the mirror, it's the Marvel. See, Marvel, you're so handsome. This is how you look. He's looking at face.
Is that you in there? My goodness, how did that happen? Now I have two Marvels?
Wow. They both are so cute. Yes, very, very cute, Marvel. See, here. My favorite thing just got delivered. But you're tracking it. It was 2 stops away. One stop away.
Yeah, let's open it. posted in the Instagram stories as well. She got vital proteins and then she got the organ one, because this was actually getting a pound and this was 10 ounce, and they are pretty much the same thing. They're pretty much the same price. So we wanted to try them both so that we can decide.
And they both are collagen, by the way.
Yeah, and there was a limit on buying collagen. This brand actually 3, you cannot buy more than 3. So what we have to do is
what we did actually.
Yeah.
Yes.
We bought 3 ourselves, and then we have.
I told Ashley to buy 3 of them
for her.
for me and keep it over there.
Yeah. So we have like 5 months of supply at least.
Full use of Prime Day, Prime Day, Prime Day, Prime Day. All of these 3 are basically unflavored, so you can add it to your coffee, water, smoothies, tea, and anything liquid, or I guess oats.
Yeah, highly soluble.
Yeah. So they mix with everything.
So we'll let you know more.
And they are, yeah, they're very good for your nails, skin, hair, joints, healthy bones. So let me read it. Skin hydration, skin elasticity, hair and nail support, and then youth appearance, healthy joints and bones. So it's very good in all those areas.
We are done with our dinner, which was
Shake.
And she is just washing up the glasses and stuff. One of the things we did today is like pack some of the electronics items. We packed all the Alexas, we packed all our Alexa lights and everything, and now we are sitting in the dark because we literally we were too lazy to actually go and pull the light, turn the light on from the top. But I guess we have to do that for few days. We packed the Alexa and we packed the new Ring doorbell and stuff that we ordered and we got today. So yep, it definitely feels weird once you are so used to like using automated systems, because I mean, I don't know the last time I turned on the light by ourselves. So anyways, but it's all good.
We hope you enjoyed the Paella recipe. Do try it and let us know how you like it.
Yeah, especially seafood lovers out there. I mean, if you are anything remotely like her, then you would love that recipe. I can eat it if it doesn't have any seafood, so just rice and sofrito sauce.
That also will taste good.
I'm sure that will also taste good. But anyways guys, jokes apart, do try the Paella recipe and let us know in the comment box if you have any tips, tricks up your hand, if you have tried that recipe before and you wanna so do let us know. Try it for yourself. We're gonna see you in the next vlog. Until then, ta-ta, bye bye.